ito. He texted me to contact Pinoy Laughter Yoga instructor, ang ating resource person. And you know what? I really did have a difficult time talking with him. Kasi sa first conversation pa lang namin, I never stopped laughing. Kasi pasigit-sigit lang siya ng joke niya. Pero sa bongge niya, palabat din tayo sa joke. Hindi rin tayo naniwanan. Kasi tumatawa din siya, lumit nga ako no? So anyway, pinakilala itong program as part of our debriefing. Di ba we already started the debriefing of our fellow teachers? And actually, no Friday, after listening to most of your stories, hindi lang po isang story, hindi lang po 10 story, kung hindi maraming stories po ang narinig namin during the debriefing. And last Friday, akala ng mga kasama ko sa bahay, we had a great fight with my husband. Kasi I left the room crying, ready to go to the office. I was crying so hard. Kasi ang naramdaman ko that time was, hindi ko na kaya mag-face another day listening to different stories. So pagsakay ko sa sasakyan, while crying, naku, tumawag man ang ating resource person. And you know what? Pagdating ko sa opisina, hindi na yata nila ako nahalatang ng umiyak. Because after talking to him, medyo bumaan ang aking pakiramdam. And I would like to say thank you to our school's division superintendent. Kasi when I presented this last Friday lang, about Pinoy Laughter Yoga, I didn't have a difficult time para mag-present sa kanya. He immediately said yes. So we already moved for his transportation and accommodation. And it was also during lunchtime when I heard and learned about his professional fee. But I will not tell it now. That's already a secret. But it's an amount that I least expected. Kasi medyo mababa lang ang sinabi ko kay Mr. Natividad. Yun pala, nasa taas ka ng kanyang rate. And mind you, he is going to give his services for free. Pag isusuma total natin itong 6 sessions na ito, we will be running to, I don't know how much, hindi natin kaya. Nalulula ako doon, Pao. So, he's giving it for free because he wants to serve us, people of Zamboanga, who are hurt at this very moment. So, we had our session yesterday afternoon. I enjoyed it so much. Siguro dahil mababaw lang ang aking kaligayahan. No, pero I really enjoyed it so much. This morning, akala ko pagod na ako sa kahapon. I still enjoyed participating. And I do not know if I still have the energy to participate this afternoon. But I would like to say welcome to our resource person, Mr. Paulo Martin Trinidad.
Thank you, Okay. We'll first show you the BTR from Lapuso mo, Jessica Soho. Sir, ano lang po okay yan po Okay. Para makita niyo kung ano yung mangyayari.
Laughter is the best medicine. Matagal na natin alam yan. Pero paano magagawang tumawa kung ang dami natin mga problemang sinasagupa araw-araw? Pwede sa pamamagitan ng laughter yoga. Ready? Get set?